Today I'm going to tackle this mess of a yard behind me with this electric weed whacker I invested in a couple years ago. Well, that's a little better. All the tall stuff is gone anyway, and there's still plenty of food for Mama Deer and her 3 fawns when she comes through later on, or maybe tomorrow morning. Tackle the driveway. First, a bike ride.